to one of the best hiking trails in the area, which we'll be doing together. Hey guys, Xavier here for Hub of the Earth. I'm excited for this hike. Hope you are as well. Should be a great one. Here it is, Nelson Bay Cave, where apparently they recovered some archaeological artifacts that date from the Stone Age, when groups of people would live here and mostly sustain on fishing. Here's drawings of some of the artifacts that were collected here from the fishing communities. Cave deposits. Pretty cool. But humans are not the only creatures that fish here. Actually, on the other side of the peninsula, I just saw some whales jumping. They were kind of far, so it was too hard to catch them on camera. But pretty cool. During the winter months, from June to August, and maybe further even, whales come here to procreate. Oh, there's actually a graphic here about them, so you can catch them if you keep your eyes open out into the ocean, which is pretty cool. And another species of fishermen. Sea lion. Seems like these two might be having a dispute of some sort. As you can tell, they're not super gracious on land. Pretty amazing stuff. Truly beautiful. So the trail that we just did is the medium trail. There's a small, medium, and large. I believe it was around 6 kilometers, 2 hours. Definitely recommend it. Got here a little bit late, and that was the recommendation from the woman working the entry gate, and I'm definitely not disappointed. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did the hike. If you like this video, you'll almost assuredly also enjoy my video bicycling around Cape Town that is also on this channel, as well as the video previous to this of bicycling the Western Cape of South Africa, mostly being on the garden route. That was really amazing, the road getting here, or the many roads getting here. And next up on the channel will be a video of bicycling the Eastern Cape. So that should be pretty cool as well. So this is part of the beginning of my journey bicycling from Cape Town, South Africa to Cairo, Egypt, going through the continent of Africa is what I'm currently attempting. Previous to that, I bicycled from Canada to Argentina, and all of those videos are available on this YouTube channel, Hum of the Earth. And if you'd like to see an interactive map of everywhere that I went on this journey and all the things that I got to see and do, that map is available over on my website, followthehumoftheearth.com, where you can click on the different locations and see the blog posts and videos of those places. And if you'd like to follow my continuing adventures, you can do so by subscribing to the channel by clicking on the red button below the video. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.